Hello everyone, my name is Khan and welcome to the new video. In this video we are going to learn that how we can identify valid order block. When market break the structure, then you will see a lot of order block in a higher time frame, in a lower time frame, and most of the traders confused to identify which is our high probability order block and when we can take decision for the buy and sell in a lower time frame. So first of all, before to marking any valid order block, any POI zone, you have to mark where is our swing structure. I mean the actual structure, which is our break off structure, change of character in a higher time frame. Then identify the inducement, identify our engineering liquidity, and identify where is our unmitigated order block when we can take decision for the buy and sell. In this video I will cover all things. First of all, marking the structure, and second thing, to identify valid inducement and identify valid POI, valid order block when we can take decision for the buy and sell in a lower time frame, and how you can trade in a lower time frame, what criteria you should follow before to enter. So this is our Aussie USD chart in a 15-minute time frame. As you can see here, first of all you have to identify where is the structure is going on, bullish or bearish or in a sideway. Look at this one. This one is our actual higher high is here, and this higher high is here because market taking out the inducement, and after taking out the inducement our higher high is a confirm here. So what happened here? In next attempt market break this one but not close over it. It means this is a not a break of structure, just sweep the liquidity. But in a next attempt what happened here? Market close over it. So when market close over it, this break of structure become a valid here. Look at this. Okay, so this become our valid break of structure, and after this what happened here? This become our new higher high. Once market taken out this inducement, actual inducement is here because this one is our valid pullback is here, right? So once market taken out the pullback, then our higher high is a confirm here. So market taken out the inducement and then push downside. So after taking out the inducement, how many order blocks are valid and when we can take decision for the buy and sell. And always you have to remember one more thing: after break of structure, only two POI actually work, which is the first one is after taking out the inducement and next one is after taking out the engineering liquidity. Only two POI actually work in a bullish market, in a bearish market, everywhere in a higher time frame. So you have to identify the two POI. First one after taking out the inducement and second one after taking out the engineering liquidity. Sometime you will see only one POI, sometime you will see 4, 3 and sometime 5 POI. But remember one thing, only two POI actually work. I will show you exactly that how you can identify them. So this one is our inducement. After taking out the inducement, you have to identify first recent order block. Where is our order block in this case? And what is real definition order block? Order block means proper imbalance which is unmitigated. And second one, to identify any valid order block, also a valid pullback. A valid order block must be a valid pullback, right? So look at this one. This one is our inducement, and after this inducement, just below it, you have to identify where is our unmitigated order block. This one, right? So this one is our order block when we can take decision for the buy and sell. So this one is our first scenario when we can take entry in a 1 minute time frame. If price tap here and then gives you any lower time frame confirmation, then definitely you can buy here. And next entry you will see on extreme POI, right? So in this case, where is our next extreme unmitigated order block? Some people mark this as our order block, which is here, right? But this is not a valid order block because this is not unmitigated. This is already mitigated by these candlestick, so we can't use this order block in a next attempt. Okay, so this one is not a valid here. So look at this one. Just below it, you have to identify where is our unmitigated order block. Order block means last buying candle before the sell and last selling candle before the buy. Okay, so it's depend on the trend. So in this bullish market, you have to identify last selling candle before this buy. So this is our actual candlestick, because after this candlestick, market gives a momentum to the upside and market break the structure is here. So this one is our unmitigated order block is here and proper imbalance is here. So if price tap here, definitely you can buy here, and don't try to buy here because this is not a valid order block. This is our just SMT. Why this is SMT? Because above it there is no inducement, there is no liquidity sweep here, right? This is a smart money trap. Okay, because when market break the structure, people are looking here for buy. You don't need to buy here. First order block is always SMT, remember. So simply you can take first entry is here after 1 minute confirmation. If there is a no 1 minute confirmation, then you don't need to buy here. Okay, then you have to wait for to mitigate extreme order block, which one is here. So price tap here, definitely you can buy here in a 1 minute time frame. Again, what happened here? Market push higher high and break the previous high. Once market break the previous major high and close above it, it means here. So when price close above it, it means this one is our valid break of structure. After break of structure, you have to identify where is our recent pullback. Means first recent pullback is always called inducement. So in this case, where is our inducement? Inducement means first pullback. So look at this one. This picture is looking a continue upside, and this one is not a valid pullback is here. Why? Because as per our pullback method, this is not a valid pullback. If you don't know exactly that how we can identify valid pullback, I already make a video you can watch on my YouTube channel. So where is our valid pullback in this case? This is our actual low, which is our inducement. If market taken out this low, then this higher high is a confirm here. If market not take this low, then you have to wait for it like this one, okay, and continue go higher. Then our this inducement transfer here to here. Okay, you have to wait until taken out the first pullback to confirm higher high in a bullish market. So let's see what happened next here. And I want to mention one more thing. In this case, you don't need to mark any order block is here. Some people mark this as order block and some people mark this as order block, and these are order block, but in reality these are all SMT, smart money trap. In this case there is no inducement, then why are you looking here for buy? You have to buy after taking out the inducement, after taking out the engineering liquidity. So where is our inducement? This one. So always you have to wait for taking out the inducement, and after taking out the inducement you can buy here. And our bit, these are all SMT, you can say smart money trap. So don't try to buy here. Okay, now you can see just below it, you have to identify where is our unmitigated order block. Look at this one. Zoom this part and find where is our unmitigated order block, where is proper imbalance, and where is our valid order block, where is proper imbalance and valid pullback. Look at this picture. This is our last selling candle before this buy, which is here, right? And you can extend like this. So if price type here, you can buy here. Always buy after taking out the inducement. If you are buying before the inducement, before the liquidity sweep, it means you are part of the smart money trap. Smart money is not means only order block or pause chalk. No, smart money means identifying the liquidity, identify liquidity or become liquidity. Simple process. Okay, so this one is our valid zone when we can take decision for the buy, because this one is our first POI when we can take decision for the buy. Okay, so look at this one and refine the where is our next possible order block. In this case, this one is our next order block is here, right? And just below it, identify where is our next one more order block. Look at this picture is here, and this is our last selling candle before this buy. Some people mark this is our order block is here, but in reality this is a not order block. Why? Because the last selling candle is here and the next candle broke this low. So where is our next candle is here. Okay, you have to move on the next candle, but this candle is also mitigated by this candle. In this case, there is no proper imbalance. So what you should do in this case, you have to switch on the next candle, which is here. And right now you can see here proper imbalance is here. Okay, and this is our valid order block is here. You can see minor imbalance is here. Okay, so this one is our last extreme order block when we can take decision for the buy. So this is our next possible scenario when we can take decision for the buy. First POI is, second POI is here, and first POI is here. After taking out the inducement and after taking out the engineering liquidity, so this one is our high probability POI when we can take decision for the buy. So what happening here? Look at this one. What is this? Okay, even this one is our first POI when we can take decision for the buy, and the next POI is here when we can take decision for the buy. Even these 1, 2 and 3, these 3 order block, what is this? These are all SMT, smart money trap, because every order block can't act like a POI. Okay, you have a specific reason to confirm that this is our valid and where is our invalid. It's all about high probability. You have to identify where is our high probability order block. Now I hope you understand that how we can identify valid order block and how we can identify differentiate between smart money trap and real order block. So these are real order block. First one is here yellow and the extreme one is here, because proper imbalance in a both order block just below it, right? So if price type here and you can buy here in a lower time frame confirmation. So look at this one, what happened next after this one. So why market reacting at this point? Because a lot of people are introducing here for buy in a smart money. Okay, so what happened next after this one? Market again push higher high, give small reaction, and again push downside. And these are SMT, right? And this one is our first PUI when we can take decision for the buy in a lower time frame confirmation. It doesn't mean that this order block work 100%. No, it's all our probability, because you have one more PUI, which one is here. So this order block must be failed to mitigate this one, right? If market actually looking for the buy side here and gives any lower time frame confirmation here, then definitely you can buy here. If there is no chalk and no flip entry module here, then you have to wait for to mitigate this extreme PUI when we can take decision for the buy, right? So let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, so market gives small reaction to the upside. If you want to see that what happened here in a 1 minute time frame, then I will show you exactly. Look at this one, price type here, right? Once market type here, and then what happened here? Where is our change of character in this case? Where is our? This is our first PUI, because this one is our first valid pullback is here. Change of character is here. Market continue go higher, and a lot of smart money traders introduce here for buy, because they are anticipating this is our actual order block and they are looking here for buy. But in reality, this is not valid. Why? Because in this case, there is no inducement is here. If market create any inducement in this case, then definitely you can buy here, right? But market not create any inducement. In a lower time frame, inducement must be before the buy or sell, right? So in this case, there is no inducement, then you don't need to buy here, correct? And this is our act like a smart money trap. And 15-minute PUI is here, which is already break. Okay, now you have to switch again in a 15-minute time frame to see exactly what happening. Okay, so this is break here, and now you have another PUI. Where is our next PUI? Is here. So in future, if market tap here, then definitely you can buy here. And this is our SMT. Why? Because after taking out the inducement, first PUI is here, and after taking out this engine liquidity, you can mark this is our engine liquidity. Okay, so after taking out the engine liquidity, you can buy here, right? So if you are planning to buy here, then definitely you can buy for the short term, but this is a not high probability. Remember this thing, right? So where is our high probability? This one extreme, and after taking out the inducement, correct? And at this time you can see a small reaction, because a lot of smart money traders introduce here for the buy. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, small momentum to the upside, and finally what happened here? Market trying to go higher. So look at this picture is here. You can see market finally mitigate our high probability unmitigated extreme order block, which one is here, and just below it there is no unmitigated order block. Simply if you are willing to buy based on the 15-minute time frame, and simply you are looking for the longer term trade, simply you can put that buy limit is here. Okay, and buy limit is here. Where is the stop loss? Measure low, which one is here, right? So this one is a stop loss, and where is our target? Measure high, which is our M15 measure high, like this. Okay, why I'm saying to directly buy here? Because this is our extreme order block is here. Just below it there is no order block. If market break this low, it means market momentum actually looking for the reversal to the downside. So simply you can buy here. Let me show you through bar play in a lower time frame that how you can trade in a lower time frame based on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, and this become our first target, you can say, is here, because market momentum, there is no guarantee that market can go higher and can be reverse here. Sometime what happen, market pushed upside, okay, and then market break this high and sweep this high sometime, and then again push downside, continue looking for the downside. So these things happen most of the time when you are looking for the buy and sell. So always you have to prepare in both side probability. It's all about probability game. So let's see what happened here in a 1 minute time frame. Okay, so switch into 1 minute time frame. This is our 1 minute chart, and price type on your 15-minute PUI, which one is here. Right now you have to wait for to break the first recent high, which is act like a change of character, and if market gives you any flip anti model is here, then definitely you can buy here. So let's see what happened here, and where is our recent high? This one. If market break this one, and this one is called our change of character, but you have to buy after taking out the inducement. This first high is our inducement, and buy here and go higher. Okay, because lower time frame liquidity must be taken out before the buy or sell. So let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, and I wanna ask you one more thing is here. Where is our chalk is here still? Okay, and some people say this is a chalk, but in reality this is a not chalk, because this is not a valid pullback. The previous candle high low both are protected here. Even first high is here, right? Still this high is here, and price must be broke this one to confirm this is our valid chalk, and then we are looking here for buy. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. Now you can see here at this time, this is our previous order block. Which one is here? I'm talking about the lower time frame. This one is our 1 minute time frame. Previous supply is here and tap here, and market keeps a small reaction, and this is our valid pullback is here, because valid pullback definition, when market break the previous candle high or low, those act like a valid pullback. In this case, this candle take the previous candle low, it means this become our valid pullback, right? So this supply convert into demand. So where is our demand in this case? This order block is our demand, correct? Why this is a demand? Because price create our flip anti module is here. Once market tap any supply zone and gives a small reaction and again breach the previous high, this is a called our flip. So let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, and this one is also a valid pullback is here, right? And after taking out this pullback is here, and we can buy here. Okay, this one is our first POI when we can take entry for the buy, and you have to always check if there is any unmitigated extreme order block or not, right? So if there is any extreme order block unmitigated here, then you have to take decision 50% after taking out the inducement. So where is our inducement? This one, because this one is our pullback, and once market taken out this one, then definitely you can take entry for the buy. So this one is our inducement, and press tap here and gives you any single candle order block, then definitely you can buy here. And second POI, where is our next order block? This one, correct? But this is not valid. Why? Because this is already mitigated, and we can't take this is our valid order block. You have to switch on the next order block. You have to identify where is our next order block. This one, because this is our last selling candle before this buy. Okay, but this one is also not valid. Why? Because the next candle mitigate this one. So where is our next order block? This one, correct? Why? Because the proper imbalance is here, and this one is our next candle. Order block is not means candle color or bearish or bullish, it doesn't matter. Order block means proper imbalance and proper valid pullback, right? So this one is our valid pullback. Market continue go higher, and we can take this one, but this is already mitigated. That's why we are switching on the next candle, which one is here. So we can simply buy here. Once market tap here, definitely you are looking here for buy at this time, right? And this low act like our engineering liquidity, because the first pullback is here. This one is our first entry, and the next entry after taking out the engineering liquidity. Which one? Right here. Okay, and engineering liquidity is always high probability, because market tap on the extreme POI order block, then market gives you momentum to the upside. And also you can see here, this is become our change of character is here, because market break the first recent high, which act like a change of character. After change of character, definitely you can buy after taking out this inducement. Okay, now let's see what happened next after this one. All right, so finally market tap here. So once market tap here, there is no indication for the reversal to the upside, only market straight push downside. Okay, it means this is not a valid here for the buy, and you have to wait for to mitigate this one. And simply you can also buy here directly. First entry is here, and put the stop loss just below it, because this is our first pullback in this order block, right? So simply you can put the stop loss just below it. And why I'm buying here directly? Because this is our extreme order block. And why I'm not buying here directly? Because this is our decisional. Price can be go higher and lower, I'm not sure here. Okay, because this is our more high probability compared to the first one. So where is our target? Our target, the 15-minute measure high, which one is here, right? Let me show you exactly. So this is our target, almost 18.95 hour. So this is our entry, right? And let's see what happened next here. And if you want to scale more entry here, then definitely you can take entry based on the single candle order block and based on the single candle mitigation entry. So let's see what happened next once market mitigate this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, so finally market mitigate this one, and your one entry mitigate here. Okay, and this one is our first entry is here, and definitely you can buy here for the upside. And where is our next possible entry? If market break the first high, which one is here, and gives you any indication, then definitely you can buy here. But if market gives you any single candle order block based entry, like previous low sweep here, can next candle close above it, then you can buy here on the next candle mitigation, right? So let's see what happened next after this one. Market trading in a range right now. Okay, and this is our first entry is here, and you can see here market taken out the liquidity is here, previous low sweep here, right? So once market sweep the liquidity and taken out the previous candle, and candle close the previous candle high, okay, and then you can buy here based on the single candle order block, which one is here, because this candle taken out the previous low, it means liquidity taken out by this one, right? You can buy here on the next candle mitigation and put the stop loss just above it, this one, right? So this is stop loss and target are same, and first break even point when market break the first high, which one is here, right? So let's see what happened next after this one. And right now we are in 3 trades. First trade based on the 15-minute as per our higher time frame structure, and these 2 trade based on the 1-minute time frame. So let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, market continue going higher high and creating new higher high in a 1-minute time frame, right? So let's see what happened next after this one. Let's switch again in a 15-minute time frame to see exactly what happening here. So we are in 3 trades here. Okay, so let's see what happening here. Okay, finally market continue going higher high. Always your measure target the previous measure high and low, right? So these trade hit our target point, which one is here. Okay, and this is our final target is here. So I hope you understand that how we can identify the where is our high probability order block, where is our unmitigated order block, and which order block you should use to identifying POI, and what criteria you should follow in a lower time frame confirmation. And this will help you a lot. And if you don't know exactly that how you can trade, you can rewatch this video multiple times, and definitely this is a very interesting and very powerful to you. So thank you so much watching the entire video. If you are new, subscribe our YouTube channel and join our free Telegram channel, link in description. Go and check out, and I will see you on the next video. Happy trading.